Hi and welcome to STEAM Powered Family. Today we have a quick, fun and easy biology-related STEM project, building a homemade stethoscope. We're going to gather up some simple supplies here. We're going to start with some tubing. This is from an aquarium. And we're going to cut three lengths. One is going to be 30 centimeters in length, and then two of them are going to be 24 centimeters in length. Next, we're going to take a couple of balloons and we're just going to trim the tops off of those balloons. They're going to act as the drum to help us amplify the sounds so that we can hear them. Now we've got a Y connector. Again, this is from any aquarium kits. A couple of plastic funnels, really cheap, and a couple of earbuds from earphones. And you can either buy those or use some if you've got some extras kicking around. Now from the top of the Y connector, we're going to attach the two pieces of 24 centimeter length tubing. We're going to make sure those are on nice and secure. And then from the bottom, we're going to attach the 30 centimeter length of tubing. We want to make sure those are really nice and secure because that's going to help the sound waves travel so that we can hear them. If they aren't snug on your Y connector, use a little bit of tape to secure them. Now, we've got two sizes of funnels, and you want to make sure you're using different sizes. And we're going to take the larger one first, but it doesn't matter which one you pick first. And we're going to attach it to the tubing. We're going to take a little bit of tape to secure it. You don't need a lot of tape, but you just want to make sure that it's, again, nicely secured so that sound doesn't get muffled and is amplified the whole time. And I apologize, this went a little bit off screen as we were working and filming. But we're just taking the tubing and inserting it into the bottom of the funnel and securing it with the tape. So there you go. I've just got a little bit of tape here and get it nicely secured. So once that's secured, you can build a couple of these with the different size tubings, or you can replace the funnel to test the different sizes when you do your testing with your students at the end. The next step in preparing our funnels is to attach the balloon to the top of the funnel. This takes a little bit of stretching, especially for the larger one, and if needed, you can grab a little bit of tape again to secure the balloon if it doesn't stay on nice and strong. You should notice when you tap on it that it makes a little bit of a drumming sound, so it sounds a little bit like a drum when you tap on it. And now we're going to do the same thing with the smaller funnel. And like I said, you can either build two stethoscopes or you can take off the larger one and then attach the smaller one to test it. The final step is to simply add those earbuds, and this isn't necessary, but it does make it a bit more comfortable for your students to use the stethoscope and listen. So you just squeeze that on there and do it with both of them. And then once that's finished, you've got your stethoscope. Now you can go around and listen to heartbeats, lungs, different things around the classroom and test the different sizes to see how it impacts the sound that they hear. For more details on this and many more STEM projects, visit steampoweredfamily.com. Bye for now. Have a great day.